Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Frankie May here once again with another bass tutorial, another bass lesson, another banger. Okay, now before we begin this tutorial, I want you to watch this video real quick. You've seen how the Agbadja praise style go. This is a common praise style that we play in all churches in Ghana, almost all churches in Ghana, okay? And it's very simple. Now, if you're not a Ghanaian, you can equally learn the bass lines in this video and apply it in any praise song that you come across, okay? Now, the key of I did the song in key C. Okay. Okay, that's my key C. Okay, now he in the video she sang two songs. Okay, she sang two songs, but I'll add another song because they are interconnected. The Agbadja praise style, most of the song progressions are the same. Okay, so I'll connect a song that it isn't in the video, a very popular song too, so that you can just add it to what you learned today. Okay, I've been very sick for some time now. That's why I have uploaded. It's been a while since I uploaded it. You guys can see my face has even changed. Okay, now you can see I had some swollen face and all that. Okay, now the first song she sang Ohene, 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 Yeshira o yatotungo asunje hine Yeshira o. Now the progression of a song is Ohene do Yeshira so yatuntum la asunje so Yeshira la. So basically the progression of a song is do so la 1, 5, and 6. Okay, that's the progression of the song. So in the first bass line that I played, I played along with the drum kick. Okay, I played along with the drum kick. So I was doing Ohene, do on the do, do, so do. Then when I came to so, I was just using the fifth, my fifth note. Okay, when I came to so, I played so, re, so, re, so. When I came to la, I played la, mi, la, mi, la. Then I went to so again, so, re, so, re, so, and then back to la. So mi, la. Is very simple. Okay, it's very simple. So basically, that's the bass line I played along with the drum kick. Okay, and then afterwards I played I also added Ohene. Okay, instead of playing along with the drum kick, when you get to a certain level where the drummer isn't going kum kum, or you can just change your groove. Okay, so the second groove I played was so do do on the do note, on the do progression. So do do. Then on the so I played re so re so. Re so re so. And on the la I played mi la mi la. So mi la mi la mi la. Mi la mi la. Then back to re so re so. Re so re so. Then back to la again. Mi la mi la. So you can also take this bass line in addition. Okay, so that's it for the first song. In the second song, why cry not yourself? Okay. Why cry not yourself? Why cry not yourself? Why cry not yourself? So what I was playing not why cry not yourself, do fa re mi ho, do fa do re. So it is do fa re mi, do fa do re. Okay, why cry not yourself, do fa ho, do fa re. Why cry not yourself, fa re mi, so do. Why cry not yourself, do fa re mi, do fa do re. Ohene ye be you are fa re mi, so do. Okay, that's the bass line I played in this particular song. The first bass line I played in the song. Do fa re mi, do fa do re. Fa re mi, so do. And then do fa re mi, do fa do re. Fa re mi, so do. And I also played this bass line. I have played it in most of my lessons. Okay, in the high life lesson, I played this bass line in. Just that you have to get the tempo or the style of the song first, so that you can apply this particular bass line. Okay, so the progression of one cry not is is fa, I cry not is fa, obiara oh re, one cry not is so, obiara so no do, one cry not is fa, obiara oh re, Ohene be you are so. Yes, so. Then back to do ya so that do. That's why I was playing do fa 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 re re mi mi, do fa 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 do do re re, fa 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 re mi so do do do. Okay, now the second bass line I played in the same song is okay, is so instead of fa mi re or do fa fa re mi mi so fa re do re fa fa re mi so do. I played the progression. Know that the progression is fa mi re so do. Instead of that, I chose to play la re 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 la re 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 la so la re 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 la so la. I applied a vibrato here. Okay, la re 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 la so la re 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 la so la. Then I came back to do so do 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 so fa so do 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 so fa so. Okay, so do so fa so. Then back to re la re re la re re la so la re re la so la, so do so fa so do so fa so. So the la re re la so la, the la so la, I played it on the octave. Sometimes you can play it on using the octave note. So la re re re. Okay, la so la, the same thing as it's the same thing. Or okay, it's the same as. Okay, so just get the notes right, and that's all. Okay, and you can just mix it up. Do fa 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 re re mi mi, do fa 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 do do re re, fa 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 re mi so do do do. When you get a song, the Agbadja song with the progression fa mi re so do, you can use that bass line, or la re 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 la so la re re la so la so do do so fa so do so fa so. Okay, so basically that's the end of the lesson. And in the beginning of the lesson I said I'll chip in another bass line. Okay, Ayee 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 Ayee. It's the same progression. Fa mi re so do. Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Fa mi re so do. Ayee 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 Ayee. Okay, you can apply the bass line I just played recently. Okay, so when you get an Agbadja song with the 5 mi re progression, just apply this bass line. It's very simple. Okay, so this ends our lesson today. Kindly subscribe to my channel and get all lessons that I will upload here. Okay, and leave a comment in the section. Okay, if you want my number, in my previous videos I've given out my numbers to people. Okay, over there I have a Telegram page there. The link is on my page. Just click on the link. You can join the Telegram page.